Hello, my musical friends. We're here today for the second of a 4-part video series on how to use closed position major scales to improve your singing and your guitar playing. Na, 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 na. In the first video, I showed you where to start with the scale to match your voice and how to warm up your voice and then how to sing a scale with your guitar. In the second video, which is this one, I want to show you how to move those scales around and also how to make that practice a little bit more interesting. So if you haven't already, go ahead and tune your guitar and let's get started. Okay, so find your starting position. For me, I use this C note and a C major scale. If you're doing the high C scale, you can play right along with me. It's just you're gonna be way up here on a high C. Na 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 na. And feel free to strike those notes multiple times if you feel like your pitch is off or you're trying to find where you're supposed to be with your voice. Go ahead and play that note. Na. Feel grounded with that. Na 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 na. And we're gonna move that. We'll shift that up one fret. Na 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 na. Up another fret. Na 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 na. Up a little one more. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Starting to get a little high for me. Na 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 na. As you get higher, you want to make sure your voice, your throat, the muscles here are relaxed. Make sure your jaw is relaxed. Go ahead and hit those higher notes by opening up. Think of like a yawn. Ah, yawn. Okay, so we'll do the same thing with the G scale. It starts a little low for me, but this will be good for probably most of the lower voices out there. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Up a fret. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. 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 Na 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 na. So something we can do to make this a little bit more interesting is we can do what I call the octave jump. So we're going to play that scale through. So on my C scale, we're going to start on the C, and that's another C. That's the octave of that C. So when we play it, we're going to play through the scale, and then we're going to jump to that octave. Let me show you. Na 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 So listen to your voice, listen to your guitar, listen to how they match. Another thing you can do to help that, and it's very humbling, is to record yourself. Everyone has them on their phones. Record yourself doing these scales and listen to see if your voice is matching your guitar. Make sure it sounds comfortable. Sometimes you'll hear tension in your voice that you don't feel when you're doing it. So that's a really good learning tool, is to record yourself. In the next video, I want to work on some vocal technique that involves vowels. And then in the fourth video, we're going to take all of this that we're working on and bring more musicality to this. Please leave a comment down in the comment section. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, I will answer you. Subscribe, give me a like if you find this helpful, and I will see you in video number 3 of this series. Thanks.